Hello guys, today I will be showing you the best Switchblade X9 loadout. First, Montalock suppressor. This will give you silence and 10% damage range. Next, MP extended light barrel. This will give you, and look how much buffs we have already, and we've only got 2 attachments. Next, RTC ready stock. Look, so much buffs. Next, for the perk, disable. This will make it so it's easier, to, what is it called? To, get bullets on the enemies. Next, the laser. MP5 laser, 5MW. And guys, that is all I have. Hope you have a great day and hope this loadout helps you out a ton. Now have a great day and goodbye.